Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty products with expert insights. Today we have something that promises to elevate your lip game to a whole new level. Lune+Aster Lip Glide in Pink Magnolia. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for that perfect balance between gloss and hydration, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Now let's get into it. Lune+Aster Lip Glide is a glossy, lightweight, and balmy-gel lipstick designed to hydrate, plump, and provide a dewy finish while conditioning and improving lip elasticity. What makes this product stand out is its blend of hydration and plumping benefits, making it more than just your average lip color. The Pink Magnolia shade we're looking at today offers a soft, flattering pink with a glossy finish that can easily transition from day to night. Its lightweight formula glides on smoothly without any sticky residue, which is a huge plus for anyone who's tired of the heavy feeling that some glosses can leave behind. I tested it throughout the day from morning to evening to see how it holds up. Initially, the glossy sheen gives your lips a luscious, healthy look, and the balm-like texture ensures they feel hydrated, not dry, even after several hours. I noticed a subtle plumping effect as well, thanks to the formulation designed to improve elasticity. When it comes to real-world use, this lip glide performed well in everyday situations, whether I was sipping on my coffee, chatting with friends, or heading out for errands. It didn't feather, and I didn't have to constantly reapply, which is a relief. The color faded gracefully, leaving behind a soft, hydrating finish. However, if you're looking for something that offers long-lasting color without frequent touch-ups, you might want to keep that in mind. The pros of this product are clear: the smooth application, glossy finish, and impressive hydration benefits. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, and the added plumping effect is an unexpected bonus. On the flip side, while the hydration is fantastic, I do wish the gloss lasted a bit longer before needing a refresh, especially for those long days when you're on the go. In terms of value for money, Lune+Aster Lip Glide sits at a mid to high price point. Given its performance, especially when it comes to its hydrating and plumping properties, I would say it's worth the investment if you're looking for a luxurious, all-in-one lip product. It's not the cheapest option, but the quality and the feeling it leaves on your lips make it a solid contender. There are a few alternatives on the market that provide similar benefits, like the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, which offers a similar glossy finish but doesn't provide the same plumping or long-term hydration. If you're willing to spend a bit more, you could also look into some luxury lip oils, but Lune+Aster definitely holds its own in this category. When it comes to packaging, it's sleek, functional, and easy to carry in your bag. It doesn't leak, and the tube dispenses the perfect amount of product with just a twist, which adds to its convenience factor. So would I recommend Lune+Aster Lip Glide in Pink Magnolia? If you're in the market for a lip product that provides hydration, a glossy finish, and a little bit of plumping, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who love a natural, dewy look, but don't want to sacrifice comfort for style. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in giving this product a try, you can find the link to purchase it in the comments or description box. Have you tried the Lune+Aster Lip Glide? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.